Chain Crops Daily Combo for July 21, 2024. Chain Crops Combo. First is C, Sexy Hamster. And then, second is C, Poging Hamster nakakakap. Yan. And then the third, which is C, Hamster Pink. Yung dress. And then the fourth, which is C, hamsters, bunso. And then the fifth is si Sexy Pax. Yan. This is the daily combo for July 21, 2024. And waiting. Okay, just so it's more low for the response of zero bearers.